Hello everyone! So, I was just cruising around the fields today, minding my own business, when I spotted this lonely old barrel chilling in a junkyard. And immediately, a crazy idea hit me. I'm gonna turn this rusty old barrel into a brand new dog house for my little dog. First up, I'm cutting a rectangular opening in the barrel to make windows for the doghouse. Gotta be super careful here. Don't want to lose a finger. Once that's done, I'm cutting the barrel in half and then chopping off the lid. Looks simple, but my arms are already burning, no joke. The main part of the doghouse is ready. Now, I'm gonna work my magic on these leftover wood scraps and turn them into a super cool floor for the coop. Waste not, want not, right? I'm sanding down each piece of wood to make sure there are no splinters. Then, I'm piecing them together to create the floor frame. Looking pretty professional. Next, I'm attaching the wood planks to the floor frame and then adding some small legs for the base. This doghouse is gonna have some serious curb appeal. Then, gently I'm moving the floor frame over to the doghouse spot. It's like we're moving into a new house, but way smaller. Now for the barrel's big transformation. I'm giving it a sweet, creamy white paint. Seriously, it looks so good. Once that's dry, I'm adding some fancy trim around the doghouse and then building a little planter box too. Gotta give my dog some fresh air and green vibes. And I can't forget to put a coat of PU varnish on all the wood frames to protect them from termites. Ta-da! The doghouse is basically done. And honestly, it's looking pretty awesome. Now for the fun part, sprucing up the living space. I'm filling the planter box with soil to plant some cute little plants. Gotta make sure my furry friend has some fresh air and a beautiful view. And then, I'm scattering some sparkly stones around the doghouse area. And just like that, my one-of-a-kind doghouse masterpiece is officially complete. Now for the most exciting moment, bringing my fur baby home. Gently releasing my dog into its brand new house. Gotta go slow and easy. Let my dog get comfortable with its new pad. So, if any of you are looking to build a cute, unique little doghouse, definitely check out this design. Your dog will thank you. Thanks for hanging out and watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button to get notifications for more awesome DIY ideas. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.